Hey friends, if you wish to change the default locations for default folders in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So these are the default folders: desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, music and videos. So let's say I wish to change the location for music, then right click on it, select show more options, properties, location, and then I can move the location to a different location. Let's say I can move music to desktop. Now any music that is saved, any audio that is saved will be saved on desktop. Okay, all I need to do is click on apply and then on okay. And if I wish to change it once again to the default option, then I will go to properties, location once again, and I'll click on restore default, apply, and then on OK. But I want you to know one thing: in this process, you may end up losing data. So I will suggest you to keep a backup of the data well in advance. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.